Welcome to Turnbull Crossings in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. This home is the Lagoon model by Hammock Homes and features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, plus a casita, all packed with beautiful upgrades. Making our way through the front door, you are immediately greeted with a wall of fabulous sliding glass doors and giant picture windows, which makes the open floor plan feel even bigger by allowing full indoor-outdoor living opportunities. There's plenty of room for entertaining and enjoying time with family and friends. You can see there are plenty of large PGT picture windows to allow tons of natural light into this living space, including this large one that helps keep a natural separation between the kitchen and the dining room areas. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and the large island here combined with the open concept helps to make sure you never miss anything while preparing food or drinks. Right behind the kitchen is a hallway mudroom that leads to the laundry room. More PGT windows allow the Florida sunshine to brighten this area. And since these windows are energy efficient, they also help keep the cool air inside and the hot Florida heat outside. Heading back towards the front of the house, we come into a smaller family room area. Here you can see the nice high windows that help make this room have a personality of its own. This room also has a wall of PGT WindGuard vinyl sliding glass doors. These doors fully open onto the patio area, where there's a full outdoor kitchen and entertaining space. Next, we see the first of 4 bedrooms. This one is being used as an in-home gym. Right next door is bedroom number 2, which boasts 2 large windows on the far wall. A great feature of the PGT WindGuard collection is that they are impact resistant, so you can enjoy the views of nature without having to worry about branches breaking through the windows during storms. This bedroom also has its own bathroom. In the shower, you can see high frosted glass windows that allow light in, but still provide plenty of privacy. Right across the hall is bedroom number 3. Here you can see the windows are split and help frame the bed, adding a bit of decorative flair to the design. This room also has a PGT WindGuard sliding glass door that leads out onto a lanai and continues into the casita. A casita, or little house, can be used as a guest house or an in-law suite. It affords guests their own living space with a spacious common area. Down a short hall is the private bathroom. Here again you can see the frosted glass windows high up in the shower. The bedroom is just a few steps over from the bathroom. These 2 large single-hung PGT windows allow a good deal of natural light into the room. Now we leave the casita through another PGT WindGuard sliding glass door and out onto the pool area. There are 3 walls of PGT WindGuard pocket sliding glass doors that fully open so you can enjoy the wealth of indoor-outdoor living space. Heading back inside, we'll go through yet another PGT WindGuard sliding glass door into a lovely office with high ceilings. On the outside wall, you'll find a large PGT WindGuard horizontal roller window that can be opened to keep an eye on anyone in the pool while you get some work done. Now, to the master bedroom. Here we have a massive picture window, flanked by single-hung windows that can be opened to let in a breeze. The adjacent wall also affords additional natural light from windows on either side of the king-size bed. And of course, the master suite has a beautiful ensuite that includes this grand wet room and contains a contemporary tub and dual shower heads. The high windows grant an abundance of natural light while still providing privacy. Just outside the wet room are 2 vanity areas split down the middle with a PGT WindGuard window. Here is one of 2 walk-in closets in the master suite. This one offers some natural light coming through a high window. Another great thing about PGT WindGuard windows is that they help protect against UV rays, so you won't have to worry about the sunlight fading any of your clothes in this closet. Leaving the master suite, we come back out into the extensive living area. PGT offers fully customizable windows, so you can design any room to your specific tastes, like having thin windows like these found in the sitting room. Live the life you want, where you want. A custom detailed home that offers you and your family beauty and peace of mind for years to come. That's the freedom of PGT.